Hello everyone, today, I invite you to explore a unique chicken farming model found in Southeast Asian countries such as Thailand, Vietnam and Laos. This model involves a special breed of black chicken that is not only easy to raise and has high nutritional value, but also has high economic value. What's the best part? With this method, the cost of feed is minimal. Let's get started.
Did you know that farmers in Southeast Asia have discovered a unique method of raising chickens without spending a dime on feed? It sounds unbelievable, but this technique has helped thousands of families improve their income and even escape poverty. What's their secret, and why has this chicken raising method become so special? Let's explore together in today's video. In Southeast Asian countries like Thailand, Indonesia, and Vietnam, black-boned chickens with dark skin, meat, and bones are increasingly popular. This breed is highly nutritious, rich in essential nutrients, and considered beneficial for health. Thanks to these qualities, black chickens are often priced 2 or even 3 times higher than regular chicken breeds, providing a stable income for farmers. But what makes black chickens the top choice for so many households? Many people believe that black chickens can enhance health, boost immunity, and even help in treating certain illnesses, drawing significant interest from a wide audience. The most interesting part of raising black chickens is the minimal feed cost. One notable aspect of this chicken farming model is the use of Azolla, a highly nutritious and easy-to-grow water fern. Farmers allow chickens to roam freely in spacious areas, where they forage naturally, utilizing agricultural byproducts and farm resources. So what's special about Azolla? Besides being a rich food source, Azolla improves water quality and reduces environmental pollution. This helps farmers cut feed costs and maintain a sustainable farming environment. Growing Azolla is simple. Farmers only need a small pond and a few starter plants. The optimal environment for Azolla includes water depth between 5 to 10 centimeters, temperatures around 20 to 30 degrees C, moderate sunlight, and a pH range of 4 to 5.5. Azolla reproduces rapidly, doubling in quantity every 3 to 5 days under ideal conditions. This allows farmers to harvest it weekly to feed their chickens. Feeding with Azolla is straightforward. Simply mix it with a small amount of bran or cornmeal to boost its nutritional value. Chickens enjoy this feed because it's cool, easy to digest, and nutrient-dense, allowing farmers to save significantly on feed costs. Most black chicken farms grow their own Azolla in ponds or water containers. After harvesting, the Azolla is washed and mixed with a small amount of bran or cornmeal to enhance its nutrition. Chickens enjoy this food due to its pleasant taste and digestibility. Each day, farmers can feed their chickens 200 to 300 grams of Azolla per bird, adjusting the amount based on the chicken's needs for optimal growth. This feeding method, although simple, contributes to healthy and robust chickens ready for market. Black chicken farms in Southeast Asia are typically small-scale, yet, the natural farming method yields high profits. Chickens are often raised in open, clean environments, fed with natural foods like Azolla, resulting in healthier, leaner meat compared to industrially farmed chickens. Despite its benefits, this model faces challenges, such as extreme weather and disease risks, which farmers tackle by refining techniques and sharing knowledge to overcome obstacles. These efforts not only reduce costs, but also improve farming skills and experience.
What do you think about this issue? Please leave a comment below for everyone to know and discuss. Goodbye and see you again.